Welcome to this newly renovated pre-war one-bedroom apartment in Midwood, Brooklyn, located on Ocean Avenue in the 11230 area. As you enter the first-floor apartment, you are welcomed by an entry foyer with a closet, leading into a comfortable layout with a living room, dining area, and plenty of storage throughout. The renovated kitchen features a modern glass backsplash, stone countertops, microwave, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, and a stainless steel refrigerator. The apartment also offers hardwood floors, multiple closets, and a queen-size bedroom. Heat and hot water are included in the rent. The building features an elevator and an on-site superintendent. Located near Avenue J and Ocean Avenue, the apartment is within reach of the Q train at Avenue J. Several MTA bus routes also serve the surrounding area, including the B6, B7, B9, B11, B49, and B68. Providing additional transportation throughout Brooklyn. The neighborhood offers access to a variety of parks and recreational destinations, including Marine Park, Midwood Athletic Field, Drummers Grove, and nearby Prospect Park. Marine Park includes extensive green space, recreational facilities, playgrounds, bicycle paths, and the Salt Marsh Nature Trail. Newkirk Plaza also offers shopping, dining, and convenient access to the B and Q subway lines. For more information, email us at info@u2apartment.com. That's info@u2apartment.com.